Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the fastest way to turn this option on, and then I'll show you how to customize it. So let's unroll the top bar, unroll it fully of course so we can see all of the icons, and then let's find proper icon, the night light. All we have to do is to simply tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. If you want to customize the night light, you can simply tap on it and hold it, and your device should transfer you to proper section. If not, I'd like to show you a full path of how to get there, so you will still be able to customize it even if your device won't transfer you there. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to find the display, and then scroll down again to find the night light. As you can see, we've got it here. You can also turn it on just by tapping the switcher. Let's tap on it, and here we can customize the intensity. By going to the left we can make it much cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. So of course it's up to you which intensity is the best for you. You can also schedule that feature. The none option is manual option, which means that you have to manually turn it on and off. You can also turn it on at custom time, so we can freely pick the start and the end time according to your needs. And here we've got also the option turn on from sunset to sunrise, and it simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based. So of course it's up to you which option you want to use. I prefer this none option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.